61 marks from hacking EBCL. Yes guys, those who are not aware, I have shared one day before hacking EBCL, how to hack EBCL. मैंने ये बताया था कि ये पढ़ के जाना और इसमें से प्रायोरिटी टॉपिक्स है जो पढ़ना ही चाहिए और आने की संभावना है. एंड यस, यू आर लिसनिंग इट करेक्ट, इट इज 61 marks coming from that sheet. I have given a list of topics to be done one day before. Let us see this, how 61 marks. 61 mark in professional examination is very crucial and important. Let us see this. Let us see this. Second, let us see question 1b. अगर आप देख रहे हो ये चीज, यहां पर समझना. Elucidate the various provision of management of foreign contribution whose certificate has been cancelled. FCRA certificate has been cancelled. See this question number, if you see 1b, cancellation of certificate, I have marked in the sheet. Same way, if I am talking about when you see question number 2 and that to 2a, I clearly list down the categories require prior approval before accepting hospitality. Same guys, if you see, it is here person prohibited from accepting contribution, as well as if you see this, it is on page number 16. I have already marked clear cut foreign hospitalities and those category of person who require prior approval of Ministry of Home Affairs. Same way, I have given this, adjudication and confiscation. Adjudication and confiscation, exactly same question. If you see this, adjudication, discuss the adjudication confiscation, it has come in 2a again there. Then if I am talking about cancellation of certificate, again it is there in 1b, which I have already mentioned you. 1b, cancellation of certificate. इस तरीके से अगर आप देख रहे हो, मैं आपको और क्वेश्चन दिखाऊंगा. 61 मार्क्स हैज कम ऑल द वे. सी, मैं अगर आपको बता रहा हूं हैकिंग का पेज 23 आप चेक करिए. हैकिंग का व्हेन यू गो टू पेज नंबर 23 includes one of the topic, that is in 23, SEZ authority, how constitution of SEZ authority, that has come in 2D, how the approval committee is constituted under SEZ, 2D approval authority. Same way, if we go to hacking page number 28, two questions coming from page 28, what I mentioned here, 27, 28, see this, by bid rigging, time arrangement, exclusive supply and exclusive dealership. Just 1 minute, I'll just show you. 28, time, exclusive supply, refusal to deal, etc, etc. This has again come in your question paper very clearly in directly question, time arrangement, exclusive supply agreement. Similarly, again on page number 28, if you check CCI establishment, CCI composition, CCI term of office, if you see this, it has come in 4a. क्वेश्चन 4 तो पूरा आया है 10 मार्क का पूरा क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द हैकिंग शीट. तो ये देखो यहाँ पे CCI एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, कॉम्पोजिशन एंड टर्म, 4a इज अगेन फ्रॉम द हैकिंग शीट. फिर हैकिंग शीट में आप फिर जाओगे, अगर आप देखते हो पेज नंबर 30 हैकिंग शीट, सम कंडीशन दैट आर कंड्यूसिव टू कैरेक्टराइजेशन 3c, ठीक है ना. कंडीशन एज इट इज, कंडीशन कंड्यूसिव टू characterization has come from competition, guys. Then if you again see page number 32 of hacking, अगर आप पेज 32 पे जाते हो हैकिंग के, ठीक है ना बात, तो ये देखिए, those likely to have adverse effect on competition, that factors determining combination, as it is, state the factors determining combination likely to have adverse effect, as it is. Again 5 marks question, 4 question completely from hacking. Out of 3, 2 questions completely from hacking. This way it is going on. Same way, if I come to page number 34, if we come to page number 34 of hacking sheet, अगर आप ये देखते हो कि आपको इसके ऊपर प्रैक्टिकल केस स्टडी पूछा था, हु इज नॉट अ कंज्यूमर. सेम वे यहाँ पर अगर आप आते हो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पर, एंड इन दिस, इन क्वेश्चन 5 यहाँ पर क्लियर कट है, इज रमेश नॉट अ कंज्यूमर, ए प्रैक्टिकल केस स्टडी हैज बीन आस्क्ड ऑन द सेम. Same way, if you go to hacking and in hacking you go to page number 38. I've just marked this for your reference. 38. Caesar confiscation that was clearly given in question number 6. Caesar confiscation differences. Then you go to 39. If you go to 39, culpable mental state, as it was again in 6A. Discuss culpable mental state under the Essential Commodities Act. Those many, I'll just show you many, you'll understand. See, analysis, experience matter. We have been teaching for so many years, so obviously we understand the level of question that may be asked. Then if you again come to page number 43, आइए 43 पे जाइए, करेक्ट। तो 43 पर अगर आप आ रहे हो, 43 पर एक क्वेश्चन है पियूसिनी मॉर्गेज, जो डिफरेंस में एक यूज किया गया, पियूसिनी मॉर्गेज वर्सेस the another mortgage. Just 1 minute, I'll just show you. Piusini mortgage versus the sub mortgage. Clear cut guys. Same way, page number 50 of hacking. अगर आप hacking के पेज 50 पर आते हैं, ठीक है ना बात, hacking के पेज 50 पर आते हैं, clear cut guys, तो ये समझना है 50 पर carpet area versus this, they have asked a question, carpet area पे क्वेश्चन है. Then पेज नंबर 60, अगर आप 60 पर आते हैं, again hacking का पेज 60, just 1 minute, 50, then we are coming to next 60, 53, 54, 55, 56, 50. Yes, this has come directly. Difference between fraud and innocent misrepresentation. Difference between fraud and innocent misrepresentation. Then you go to 63. भरोसा मानना, एक से एक चीज है 63. If you go to 63, when exact question, perpetual injunction when granted, exactly the same question 6B. If you see this 6B, circumstances under which perpetual injunction can be granted, direct question as it is. Then you go to 77. Then you go to 77. Correct guys. When you go to 77, as it is direct question. See, I'll tell you, crossing of check, this was your question 5E. This was your question 5E. What is crossing of check? So guys, almost 61 marks has come from this hacking of EBCL concept. So जिनका एग्जाम हो गया है, no worries, enjoy holidays. But जो आगे वाले एग्जाम में प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, be in touch, use our experience, use our all the expertise, use this hacking EBCL PDF. ऑलरेडी इस PDF को मैंने YouTube पर जब एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले डाला था कि पढ़ के जाना चाहिए. Almost 61 marks comes, experience speaks. But do best, work harder in life. Thanks a lot for appreciable response. जिन लोगों ने हैकिंग यूज किया उनके बहुत सारे मैसेज आए. I congratulate them for believing, trusting and developing. Bye bye, take care, thank you. And one more thing, if those students are waiting for suggested answer, what should be the standard answer? They just after the examination they want to compare it, study it, analyze it, and those students having exams and in the future in June or December, and they want how to present the answer for this particular question paper, do comment in below the comment section. Do let me know who need it. Let us see if you require it. I'll make a video for suggested answer and share you with all the suggested answer. Thanks a lot guys. We'll catch soon. Be in touch and keep rocking. Thank you. Bye bye.